In today's session, we will see what is multigraph. A graph in which there are no multiple edges between any pair of vertices or there are edges from a vertex to itself is called as multigraph. In this graph, every vertex is connected by an edge. Therefore, is called as multigraph, and here loop is present. Therefore, multigraph can be defined as combination of all the graphs. Now, what is planar graph? A graph that can be drawn so that all the edges of graphs do not cross each other. In this graph, no one edge is crossed to each other. Now, what is non-planar graph? The definition of non-planar graph is exactly opposite of the planar graph. A graph which is not a planar graph is called as non-planar graph, or a graph that cannot be drawn without at least one pair of its edges crossing each other. In this graph, edge E3 and edge E7 are crossed to each other. Therefore, this graph can be called as non-planar graph. Now,
We'll see what is subgraph. A graph G dash of V dash comma E dash is the subgraph of G of V comma E if and only if V dash vertices are the subset of V. That is, in graph G dash, number of vertices are present between the graph G and E dash is a subset of E. Means number of edges present in G dash graph are also present in graph G. We can see in the graph vertices A, B, C, D are present in graph G, and vertices A, B, D means common in vertices of graph G are present in graph G dash. Therefore, graph G dash is the subgraph of graph G. Now, there are two types of subgraphs, that is induced subgraph and partial subgraph. In induced subgraph, a graph G dash is said to be induced subgraph of G if E dash contains all edges from E that exist between nodes in V dash, that is, that have both endpoints in V. Now, what is partial subgraph? A graph is said to be partial subgraph if it contains some of the edges that have both endpoints in V dash. Here we had seen in previous session that what is graph and its types. Now in next session we will see what is walk, open walk, simple path, closed walk, shortest path, length, etc. etc. Thank you.